Hello, hello, welcome back. We are on to day number 11. Let's grab our journal, and I can see it's right there. The little box is number 11. In here today we have washi tape. So there's a sort of wintry one, and then this one which is sort of texty based. Got this one and this one. Let me just peel this one so we can see it a bit better. There we go. Okay, let's grab our journal and see what we can do with these today. Oops. Okay, I've got some scraps of fabric and I found this dotty feather, which I quite like to use today. But we're going to start with our washi tapes. Just starting to get some of this down for some background pattern. Washi tapes are one of those things that I love using, but I always hoard them. And I really should just use them, you know. This one's slightly different, it's got a backing to it. Not worrying too much about the placement, I'm just going to randomly lay some of this down. Oh, come on. Yeah. Okay, that's quite nice. Let's grab the gesso just to add a little bit of white space. Yeah, something like that. Don't want to hide. I like some of the text showing through, so I'm going to leave some of that showing. Okay, and whilst that's drying, I think what I'm going to do is go over to the sewing machine and just kind of stitch some of the fabrics with my feather. I'll be back in a mo. Here is my stitched pieces. Just stitch the feather in roughly, very roughly, with all of the pieces of scrap material. And I think it sits really beautifully on the page there. And I found the words in a book, Brimming with Happiness, which I thought was really good because the washi tape here already has the words life is. And so, yeah, I thought that worked really well. I'm just going to stick that down on my little bundle here. And I've just found this tiny, tiny little feather. Maybe we can pop him over there in that little space. Okay, I'll get some stronger glue to stick that down. and maybe just a tiny little bit more of the washi tape. On our little bundle somewhere. Yeah. So there we have today's page with our washi tapes. I hope you've enjoyed that, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.